Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel, Wake Up and Live. This is Bobby Montego. Today I'm in Jamaica, trying to set up my my Airbnb. This is a view from the master bedroom of the Airbnb. It's on the construction. Not very pretty. But, I've been living out of a suitcase. I have 2 beds. It's not all together, but we've just done the floors and the bathroom. It's still on the construction. Everything, a stone bathroom, earth stone. Everything is wood. Trying to see how best I can get this finished. This is 1 bedroom, master bedroom, and these leading down the steps, leading down. It's all wood, wooden floor. That's another bedroom on the construction. See construction all around. It's a small bathroom here, and the back view. Okay, another side view. All right, everything. This is going to look very beautiful once it's done, but it's currently on the construction. This is a kitchen. Kitchen here. Okay. There's another bedroom here. Yeah, the contractors are doing some painting and stuff. It's not a very big one, but will be very comfortable. Okay. And this will be the living room. Nothing is polished. Everything looks raw right now. Okay, coming out to the ground floor porch. Okay, I have some more construction going on over there. Okay. And okay, so what we're really doing today is down on the beach road. A friend of mine was complaining that the fishermen have taken over too much off the swimming beach, the public beach. I'll go ahead and take a look and see what's really going on there. We know the fishermen have to make a living, but the public needs public space to do their swimming. So I just want to take a look, because with my Airbnb here, I need to make sure that there's enough swimming space for my guests. All right, so this is a beach road. This is Sawyers Beach Road, in just west of Montego Bay, on the suburbs of Montego Bay, out in eastern Hanover, but on the suburbs of Montego Bay. All right. So as you can see, this Airbnb will be like 4 or 5 houses away from the beach. So we probably don't see all the boats docked up, because it's about 9 o'clock now, and most of those boats are gone out. And we'll see people sitting waiting for the fishermen to come in. But I just want to see how much of the beach that they actually took up. Okay. Yeah. 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 Fish. Jason, what going? Everything good? Yeah, man. Yeah. I'll take care of you the next time I see you, alright? Remember when I talk to you, alright?
Good.
Yeah, man. Everything good. Man, that's a video of the beach look and thing, you know?
Yeah, man. Great.
So, oh, your goat?
Yeah.
Alright. You'll get some fish?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, man. Later on. Yeah. Big thing are gone, man. Yeah. Alright. Thing on the beach. Okay. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yes, sir. Thing all right? Yes, Virgin. All right. Yeah, so this is a beach I grew up on. Actually, it's called Sawyers Beach. It's a pebble beach, not really a sand beach, but a pebble beach. But a very, very good water to swim in. As you can see, let me give you a little sample of what a pebble beach looks like. It's lots of stones that look like these actually. Very fine stone. This is the winter time, so the sea is a little rough, but normally you'd see the sea is normally like as calm as water sitting in a glass, but today it's a little rougher than normal. You can see one boat there in the water, and I think what has happened actually is that people have actually come in from different areas to do their fishing trade here, and the complaint was that it was taking up too much of the beach. As you can see though, it looks like they're using only half of the beach. The rest of it is left for swimming, so we're not really bothered by this. Everybody has to live. Guess we just need to structure it a little more. So yeah. Man, there another boat. It's around a look video, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah. This is my water get bad, man. Water get rough. Yeah.
Water get rough, man.
What going? Thing alright? You catch one edge out there, eh? Yeah, man. Let's do a video. You can remember this. Yeah. We call it sauce of fish, we call it a jog, eh? Yeah, man. Everything crystal, right? Eh? Yeah, man. Cook it on. Love that, man. That nice. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, so this is area that I grew up on the beach, and across the water, one of the most prestigious hotel in the entire Caribbean, one of the most prestigious in the world too. It's called Roundel Hotel. Lots of rich and famous people own cottages over there. When they're not there, then they actually rent these cottages out to other guests, usually well-off guests, because it's pretty expensive, pretty pricey over there. Yeah, but our neighbor Derby has set up himself quite a nice establishment here. It's called the Lobster Trap. But I think he takes guests only on visits. All right, so I'm gonna hang with some friends right now, and thank you for staying and watching my YouTube channel, Wake Up and Live. This is Bobby Montego. Thanks so much.